She was born a princess, but destiny crowned her something far greater. In the heart of the Byzantine Empire, a young girl named Holofira opened her eyes to a world destined for change. Raised in the traditions of Orthodox Christianity, she had no idea that her life would one day bridge two empires and rewrite history. But fate had its own plans. As the Ottoman Empire began its relentless expansion under Osman Ghazi, the walls of the Byzantine stronghold started to fall one by one. Among them was Yarhisar, ruled by Holofira's father, the Tekfur. When the fortress fell, Holofira was taken captive. It was then that she came face to face with Orhan Ghazi, a rising warrior, a noble leader, and son of Osman Ghazi. What followed wasn't just a tale of love. It was a powerful alliance, a turning point in history. Let us love and let us be loved. The world's no one's to own forever. Before their marriage, Holofira made a life-altering decision. She embraced Islam. With her faith reborn, so was her identity. She became Nilüfer Hatun, the lotus flower, a symbol of beauty, grace, and strength rising from unfamiliar waters. And reborn, she truly was. She gave birth to Murad I, who became the third sultan of the Ottoman Empire. But her influence went far beyond motherhood. Nilüfer Hatun became a pillar of compassion and vision. She built mosques, schools, and shelters, uplifting souls wherever her reach extended. Knowledge must mean a craving to know yourself. If you have failed to understand yourself, then all your reading has missed its call. Though raised in a different world, Nilüfer embraced the customs of the Cade tribe. She wasn't just accepted, she was honored. Through her grace and wisdom, she became a bridge between two civilizations, two faiths, and countless hearts. Her story whispers a lesson through time. Empires are not only built by swords, but by souls that seek unity. I am not here on earth for strife. Love is the mission of my life. Nilüfer Hatun passed away in the 14th century and now rests in Bursa, the early Ottoman capital. Her tomb, still standing, bears witness to a woman who began her journey as a captive and rose as the first Valide Sultan in Ottoman history. A queen not just of lands, but of hearts. If this story touched you, share, and subscribe for more soul-stirring tales from history.